what aspects of your aviation experience prepared you most for your entrepreneurial challenges that you've come across in this new direction at Avixu? Because that's really why we're here today. Although the aviation stuff is interesting, I know from you, because I can see the excitement in your face. If I'm going to sit here and you're going to talk to me about flying to Bloemfontein and Black, you're going to say, no, it's not going to happen. When we talk about some entrepreneurial things and what you're doing behind Avixu, you get this, your whole face changes. So that's what I want to hear about.
Yes. So Avixu is obviously my baby. Not really, but yeah, it is. I started it just basically after COVID. The big thing that corporate aviation will teach you is that it's unstable. You never know when you're going to lose your job. And I was faced with that. I flew a private jet for a year. The owner said, listen, we are going to buy a Global, and he sent me for a Global type rating. And the Global never came. And 3 months later, he also sold his airplane. And all of a sudden, as lucky as I were during COVID finding a job, I also lost that job very quickly. Well, basically after a year. And then I thought, okay, how the hell am I going to find a job now? Okay. Then I thought, okay, I have to submit my CV at every single recruitment agency that's available. I have to join all 10,255 WhatsApp groups. By the way, all of the same people is on the same groups anyway, so I don't know why there's so many. And I thought, no ways, there must be a better way. You have Tinder who matches people. Why can't we have a platform that matches your skill, your personal wants, with a job with a company that's looking for someone exactly like you? Okay. So I went and I saw 2 or 3 developers. I gave them my idea and they said, nah, it's not possible what you guys are going to try. And I said, well, it is possible. It will be possible. And I finally got to 2 brothers in Bloemfontein. And I pitched my idea to them, and they said they can do it 100%. And then we started building it piece by piece. And yeah, now we have this thing that works amazingly. It really connects on a high level. I'll take you through it a little bit later.